I don't want to leave you wondering about the color lookup tables. Under adjustments, window adjustments, okay? That's how you find this thing. The last one is the color lookup table. So when you click on it, it drops in the lookup table and a mask and nothing else. Nothing's loaded, nothing changed. If I turn this off, nothing happened at all. What you have to do is, well, there are many more things you can do, but for starters, you click on loading a lookup table, and then you go through these. And as you go through them, they change. I'm not going to go through them all. I'll just tell you, I ended up at the film stock 50 and said, yeah, this is a good place to start. And then I could make an everything layer, and then I could tone down that pink, and then I could adjust these other colors and build in balance to this composition. I want you to understand I'm going to cover lookup tables. The rest of the year we're going to use those. They're used in Hollywood to make movie posters all the time in order to balance the different images that they bring in when they make composites of the different actors that you see down at the theaters. Okay? I've sat in on sessions where the people who design those posters are sharing their strategies. Okay? I will share these strategies with you. But if you're unwilling to put in the time to learn from these videos, it's not going to make a difference. So let me tell you right now, the rest of the year, I'm going to focus on you. You students who want to learn something new, who want to do something in this class that is awesome. Because I want to see that happen too. I want to put your work on the wall. I want to put it outside, get rid of the posters I have outside, and put your work up there. Let's make something magic happen. Oh yeah, and I'll put it up on our gallery too, so Adobe can see it. And maybe they'll shine a light on you, who knows. But all I do know is this class is something, what you put in, what you're willing to dedicate is going to determine what you take out of the class. Kind of like in life. I'm not in this for the short term. I'm in it for the long term. I care what you learn by June. That makes sense?